As we just discovered, inside of the router link, we'll link to various pages with this to attribute. And then inside it, placed in a hard-coded URL to link to. This works completely fine, but we also have available something called named routes. Named routes may be a benefit if we use the same link multiple times. Imagine inside of our project we had many links to this menu page. But instead, in the future, if we maybe wanted to change this URL from /menu to be something like /pizzas, we need to change all of these links manually. Or alternatively, we can link to the name which we give it inside of the router file. So jump into the router and the index.js. Remember, each one of these links has a specific name. And we can pass these in as an object. So instead of the /, place in the curly braces to create an object, the name property, which is equal to home. And just like any other Vue.js attributes, if we were placing in dynamic data inside of here, such as our name, we also need to place in the colon, which is vbind, to make this dynamic. This tells the Vue router that this is not to be read as a string of text, but instead, take a look for this name which we have in our router file. We can also do this with the rest of the links. So copy this, and we can place this at the top for our title. The second one, this was for our menu link, which matches the name inside of our router file. The number 3, this was the about link. And then lastly, the admin link. So save this and head over to our project, and this should be automatically updated since we're using Vite for our development server. Click on our links. And everything now still works the same as before, but now we're using these named routes.